So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohan Reddy. I am the SAP FICO trainer. I will ready to teach like both Telugu and English languages in SAP FICO. It's completely finance related software course under the functional module course. So, those who are interested to join SAP FICO, please call below mentioned mobile number. And today we are discussing about the topic is SAP FICO important interview-based most important question and answers and real-time scenario-based purpose. I'll teach interview questions and answers. So before that, I'm requesting please subscribe my YouTube channel. And here I will provide one more best opportunity, best features to compare it to other YouTubers. So here in my YouTube channel, I explain each and every topic, complete information like both Telugu and English languages. For example, if I can upload one video. So like for example, yesterday I uploaded one video like global settings and parameters. So regarding this video, whenever not only this video, each and every topic wise I uploaded at the time of I uploading, uh, at the time of I am uploading, and I updated in description. I updated one link regarding this particular topic. Regarding this particular topic. So, for example, you can click here in description mode. Click here this video mention link, then automatically you can get the process how we can do the process regarding the particular topics like global configuration, global settings for configurations, each and every step by step how we can done the each and every configuration using with the decodes as well as using with pairs. So in this way, I uploading each and every video, and also I uploading like Excel and worksheet as well as PDF sheet. Based on this topic wise, I uploaded each and every topic based on the topic. I uploaded supported document. So not only this video, for example, you can go and search one more video. So for example, SAP FICO top 100 interview questions and answers. So you can click here. We will click here. Then automatically on the description mode, I already updated one link. So HTTP drive Google. So you can click this. You can click this link. Then automatically you will get one PDF link. So one PDF document. So it's completely interview based question and answers. So this complete document you will get in free of cost. So this is one of the best opportunity, best feature to provide in my YouTube channel. So I'm expecting more views and more subscribers from your side. So thank you, Andy. Let's go to the topic. And today I'll discuss one more 20 interview questions and answers. So let's go to the topic. So already in previous classes, I already explained 100 interview based question and answers. And today's section, I'll explain 100 to 20 interview questions and answers. Let's go to the topic. So first of all, what is the meaning of RICE elements? So WRICEL, RICE. So వీటిని ఏమంటారంటే RICE elements అంటారు. So the very most important question at the time of interview. So RICE stands for the workflow reports interface and conversions, enhancements and forms. So RICE means completely you can explain RICE stands for, so or else RICE determines for workflow, reports and interface, convention, enhancements and other. So I'll explain each and every word of RICE. WRICE, each and W means workflow and R means reports and I means interface and C means conventions and E means enhancement and F means function. So each and everything I'll explain. So for example, completely I'll explain what is meaning of workflow. So WRIFC, RICE in the first letter W. W means workflow. So I'll explain briefly regarding this workflow. If you want to engage any type of activity, so if you want to engage any type of activity, you need to obtain approval from your superiors. So this process is called as a workflow. So workflow is used for the approval process. So based on the client requirement, we establish an approval process. So which is also called as a workflow. So SAP delivers some standard workflow programs. So those are customized customize and your own standards do not meet the client's business requirements, like park document and whole document. Simply, like for example, at the time of document posting, we are having different options like document holding, and document park. So, why? Because we are in previous class, I already explained. If the document is parked and if the document is hold, the scenarios we the main reason for the document holding and the document hold and document parking is if the document parking is the main purpose is to get the approval from higher authorities. So without higher up, some of the situations we can park the document. So after getting the higher approval, then only we can save the document like park mode to save mode. So at the same time, document hold. In previous class, I already explained document hold document. Means at the time of document posting, we can enter every details. Then before saving that, we will hold the document. The main reason for the document hold is if we are having any doubts regarding this particular invoice, in these scenarios, we can hold the document after clarifying the complete information regarding the particular invoice. Then only we can post a particular whatever document we are hold. Then the document will go to the whole document hold mode to save mode. This purpose we are using the document whole document and park document. So this is called as completely workflow. So workflow is nothing but to get approval from a authority, higher authorities, as well as to get complete information regarding a particular invoice. So this is called as a workflow. Then I go for next question. So before that, I will check the regarding it. So let's go to the another question. So what is the meaning of report? So in RICE elements, the second one is report. So we will generate all types of reports. So reports means nothing but we can generate the reports like regarding the customer related documents as well as vendor related documents as well as asset related document. And so these are all reports we can generating based on we will generate. So this is called as a report. So in variety elements, W means workflow. Already we know, and R means reports. So reports means we can generate the reports regarding from SAP servers regarding the like vendor wise, customer wise, ledger wise, whatever the asset wise, asset master wise, each and every department wise, we can generate the reports based on this. We can generate the reports. So this is called as a R. So recipe elements, the second word is R. So then we'll go for the another question. What is the meaning of interface? So interface is nothing but it's completely inbound and outbound. It's a part of IDAC. So in IDAC is completely on topic. Maybe I like to next video. So IDAC topic is pending. So it's completely inbound and outbound. It's a part of IDAC. So then go for the, I'll explain another question. What is the meaning of convention? So convention means the data migration activity. So data migration activities means like nothing but LSMW, legacy system migration workbench. So here I'll explain, upload the geo masters, whatever with LSMW. So what is meaning of convention means? So convention is nothing but we can upload the particular data regarding the vendors and customers, whatever the GL related data. So the complete information using with LSMW, we can transfer to a non-SAP to SAP. This is called as a LSMW. This is called as a convention. So convention is nothing but the data transfer to one ERP to another system or another ERP, like non-SAP to SAP. The data is dumping to one ERP to another ERP. So this purpose this is called as a convention. So and I'll explain another question. What is the meaning of enhancement? Enhancement. So it is the existence and feature enhancement program. The total project will take care of ABAP team. So enhancement is nothing but it completely depending on the client based on the client requirement. The ABAP consultant, ABAP consultant means coding consultant. So the technical consultant will create the each and every step by step. Will create the skills based on the client requirements. So this is called as a enhancement. So enhancements to create the different types of skills based on the client requirements. So then I'll explain one more question. What is the meaning of forms? So here the form, I'll explain the forms, customer invoice forms and vendor invoice forms, TDS forms, purchase order forms, sales order forms. So in SAP terminologies, we are using different types of forms in different departments. For example, a customers. For example, in customer scenarios, we are using the customer invoice forms like customer invoice generation regarding and customer invoice clearing and vendor invoice generation based on the vendor invoice form and vendor invoice clearing and TDS forms and purchase order forms, so purchase order and sales order. So these are all each and the different types of forms based on the department where we can follow in this SAP systems. So this is called as we are using the forms. So this is a completely voice element. So it is the most important and must answered interview question at the time of as a SAP FSO consultant and end user. So completely voice elements means voice elements means workflow and reports and interfaces and convention enhancements and forms. So each and every topic wise I explained already. I explained. So then we'll go for one another question. What is meant by background job? So once again. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. And we'll go for the one more question. So, I'll mention it. So then what is mean by background job? So background job is nothing but the system can generate automatically, the system can generate the report automatically and sending the particular mails. So this is called as a background job. So background job means if the employee, if the system automatically do the job based on the predefined configurations and based on the predefined parameters means, for example, the system generate the one reports based on the based on it means what are the mails we already assigned regarding this particular reports purpose. So the system automatically particular reports to send the particular mails. So I'll explain simple that. If, for example, the manager sends an email to the end user every midnight. For example, uh, the end user, manager sends an email to the end user every midnight. So the manager requests a vendor reports containing the information about the payments made and invoice issued and number of invoices. So here, for example, the manager is asking to the end user, you please be generate the reports regarding the particular vendor and particular customer, how much amounts to be receivable, how much amounts to be payable to the particular vendor and invoices. So this is the question, but the manager is asking at the time of midnight, whatever the not midnight's time. So in this scenario, the end user not be available at the office locations. So these purpose as per the predefined parameters, the end user, the consultant can done the configuration. Then automatically each and every day, each and every day, the SAP system will send reports like customer and vendor reports automatically sent to the particular registered mail ID. Whatever the mail ID assigned previously, then automatically the information, the reports will send to the particular registered mail ID. So here, since uh, The manager requests the vendor reports containing the information about the payments made, like what are the payments to be paid, invoices, and the number of invoices paid. So in this case, since it is not possible to do this manual at midnight. So manually, in midnight times, so we are not able to send this reports. So this purpose we can set up an automatic reports and emails to the background jobs. So in background job, so we are using this background job process. We can easily send the reports to the particular top level management. So it is important to note that all type of reports can be configured using the background check configurations in real-time project. So SAP handles large amounts of the data. So it is essential to create background job data. So SAP handles the large number of amounts and large number of invoice, large number of customer and large number of customer invoice, large number of vendor invoice regarding. So n number of based on n number of invoices. So the reports will be generated. So this purpose we are using the background job. So it is has some configuration process there. So I already explained in my YouTube channel regarding the background job. So then I'll explain one more interview question. So here I'll explain one more interview question. So this one color hide and keep this yellow color. So what is meant by validation? So here in SAP terminology, so the validation process of checking and controlling specific fields to be verify their accuracy. It is also determines the mandatory fields required at the time of accounting entry posting. So whenever the user enters transactions and inputs data in specific field, the system will check for validation. If the input is not proper, then then error message will be displayed to the user. So validation essentially ensures the data entered in a particular fields is accurate. So here total process will be updated in the ABAP code level. Advantages of validation is it reduces the end user mistakes and reduce the manual. So then next another question, substitutions. So what is meant by substitutions? At the time of account, at the time of so once again, so here what is meant by substitutions? So at the time of accounting entry posting, at the time of posting accounting entry, the system will automatically update the required inputs based on the client configurations. Yeah, what is meaning of substitutions means? So substitutions means, for example, if we can generate at the time of like particular essay document, vendor invoice, customer invoice, whatever the document at the time of document, based on these substitutions configurations, we already defined some parameters, some fields. So based on this one, if again we can open the new entry using with the substitutions, then automatically some of the fields required document automatically it will be updated. So remaining fields we need to be fulfilled, and automatically we go for save. We'll go for the document save. So these purpose we are using the substitution. Then what is the difference between validation and substitution? So these are each and everything is the very, very most important question for the SAP FI consultant and well as advisor. So this purpose I'll explain each and everything, and also I'm providing complete information regarding this each and every topic in my YouTube channel. So let's go to another question. What is the difference between validation and substitution? So validation involves manually entering the specific inputs during the accounting entry posting. So here previously explained, for example, for example, we can post a one document. So in this scenario, the document have different types of fields. So based on this validation, we can update and we can enter the each and every field. So, but compared to substitution, so if we are using the substitution, so some of the fields we can complete, we can fulfill automatically, and remaining fields we can enter, then automatically we can we can save the document. Substitution involves automatic updating the inputs during the accounting entry posting. So, and we'll go for another question. So this is the very important. This is the most very important I am explaining now. So very most explain the roles and responsibilities as a supporting project. So, for example, if we are if you are if you are having a good experience in a supporting project as a consultant, so in this scenario, the HR will asking you. So regarding this question, so explain the roles and responsibilities. Explain the explain the roles and responsibilities of your business in the past, previous company. So in this scenarios, we can explain in this scenarios we can explain the below mentioned answers. So the mostly as a SAP FICO consultant, the consultant doing the below mentioned works. So those are number one, scoping and kick-off meeting and gap analysis and AL means application lifestyle management and MIS management information systems and types of meetings in the study. So if the end user, for example, if the consultant having real-time experience, at least minimum 3 to 4 years, then automatically the person having the person having the proper information, proper knowledge, and proper commanding regarding this topic. So this purpose I'll explain each and everything. So first of all, scoping. The scoping involves internal discussions with the client and gathering information from the client. It is a similar to a kickoff meeting. For example, it includes gathering the client bank details, customer details, vendor details, and any other relevant information. We can collect the uh, data from the client based on this scoping. Based on this scoping means kickoff meetings. So, and yeah, here also I mentioned kickoff meeting. So, proof of evidence involves through kickoff meeting means proof of evidence involves the reaching an agreement with the client, the terms and conditions following the code of conduct. So, including rules and regulations. So, kickoff meeting, we can collect the each and everything from the client with the proper evidence. Then configurations. So if you are having a consultant, if you are having a real-time experience in SAP FICO consultant, you must have proper idea and proper commanding this regarding these topics. Like those are there are two types of configurations. So there are two types of configurations. So those are baseline for day-to-day transactions such as AR and GL posting. So day-to-day transactions configurations means it is nothing but complete AP. AP means payable. AR means accounts receivable, and GL means general ledger posting. So these are the daily day-to-day transaction purpose. We are having a baseline. So these are all transactions related configurations comes under the baseline configurations. And one more thing, and another one is and another final configuration for the integrations like FI to MM integration. So yeah, FI to MM, FI to SD integration, FI to PP integration. So these are all most important configurations. If as a SAP FICO consultant, he must know regarding FI to MM integration, FI to PP integration, FI to SD integration. Why? Because I'm telling so without finance department interaction, each and there is no any organization cannot be run the organization. Why? Because the financial department is a crucial department for each and every organization. So this purpose, so each and every department, like not only sales and distribution, production planning, and marketing department, say finance department, and so cost control, CODP. Each and every department have basic interrelation with the finance department. For this purpose, we are having the basic idea. So in my YouTube channel, I already explained and updated each and every topic like how to FI to MM integration, FI to SD integration, FI to PP integration. Each and every topic I already updated the videos and also at the time and also. Uh, complete configuration process step by step also updated in Word sheet as well as Excel sheet as well as PDF sheets. So then we go for another topic, gap analysis. So this pass involves testing, including accounting entry, posting, integration testing, unit testing, security testing, and user acceptance and UAT and performance testing. So gap analysis is nothing but the testing of a particular submodule. Like the gap analysis is nothing but the testing of particular submodule document posting is doing properly. The document posting is done properly or not. So these purpose, the consultant will check the documents document wise, like document posting in the like accounting entry, right? Integration testing and unit testing and security testing and user accept testing so under the each and every testing, these are all comes under the testing project. So I'll explain next week each and every what is the meaning of integration testing and what is the meaning of unit testing and security testing and accept testing, performance testing. Each and every topic I'll explain in the next video. So here I'll explain the basic information regarding the FSU consultant roles and responsibilities. So these purpose gap analysis is must and should. Then ALM. ALM is nothing but application life cycle management. So ALM, the consultant having must the consultant are having information regarding this ALM like application life cycle management. So this includes supporting the project. So this includes supporting the project, resolving the errors, and using the ticketing tools such as P1, P2, P3, and P4. These tickets have different resolution types based on their priority and survey type. Ticketing tools are including BMC, remediation. So ALM, application lifecycle management. In this supporting project, time of document handling time, the client at the time of project handovering time, supporting project handovering time, the both client and payroll company, the both are having mutual understanding regarding the tickets reservation priority, like P1, P2, P2. Client requirement here P1, P2, P3, and P4. Here the first P1 is the major priority, P2 is the some major priority, and P3 is the below major priority, and P4 is the support the major priority. So each and every ticket having some time duration. For example, P1 ticket arises from end user. So if the consultant can get the P1 ticket, then automatically you will need to be respond immediately within half an hour. We need to be resolved this solution. If the error is not resolved, then automatically the consultant will forward the ticket to the higher authority like TL project manager. Higher authority immediately can send and resolve this issue within hours. So these purpose the P1 ticket is the priority, and P2 if the ticket get in, if the consultant get the error from the end user based on the P2 ticket, so he's having some time, so like 4 to 5 hours or like 5 to 6 hours. So based on the time gap, the end user can write the ticket. So this is completely application lifecycle management ALM. So then I'll explain one more question, one more responsibilities as a FICO consultant. So MIS. So MIS is nothing but management information systems. So in this pass includes the generate to MIS management information system, and this pass includes generating the MIS reports and documents reports such as sharing the blueprints and documents with the management. It is also involves the end user training and topics like open and closing variant posting period assignment of user tolerance rules. So each and everything the end user consultant will do the work. It completely comes under the MIS management information system. So for example, simply I'll explain MIS is management information system. Regarding this, in this scenario, the consultant will prepare and send each and every report based on the client requirement. The consultant will need to be sent, generate and send the reports to the client level. And also, the consultant main work is to track the end user. Some of the companies, the end users may the end user and join the new end user. This scenario, so the end users having some experience, but whatever whatever the end user join newly, automatically the consultant will take care regarding this end user and give a proper training in particular each and every topic, as well as well as as well as and it is also it comes under the it comes under the open and closing posting periods, like open and closing posting periods. So we already discussed open and closing posting periods is each and every month wise open and closing posting periods. In SAP, we are having 12 normal postings for special posting periods. So it completely comes under the global setting parameters topic. We already explained this open and closing posting periods. So each and some real-time scenarios, open and closing posting periods, we are open month-wise. So then another question, assign users to tolerance group. So this is also into work. For example, here I'll explain. For example, here I'll explain. For example, one user joined in the organization. In these scenarios, if in this scenario, the consultant will be immediately assigned to the end user regarding this particular company code tolerance group to be assigned tolerance group to be assigned to the particular employee user ID. So then only the new employee can generate the report as well as as well as can post the any document. So without tolerance group assigned to the particular new employee, he cannot be done any single entry. So this purpose the tolerance group will be assigned to the employees. So this is also one of the consultant work. And one more final, I'll explain types of meeting in SAP. Types of meetings in SAP. This section, types of meeting in SAP. This section lists various types of meetings, including the minutes of meeting, MOM of meetings, and scoping and end user meetings. It also involves coordinating with the team leaders and managing weekend, day-to-day, month, and year. So types of meeting in SAP projects nothing but uh, if the consultant can involve the meetings regarding the like the scope of meeting, MOM meeting, minutes of meeting, and the end user training related meeting, and day-to-day, monthly, day-to-day related meetings and scoping. So each and everything the consultant is involving and coordinating the TLs and as well as coordinating the end users regarding the particular issues. So these are the most important question as a SAP consultant interview. So explain the roles and responsibilities of your previous company in your designation. So then completed this one. So then we'll go for the today completely and explain 20 question and answers. So remaining to explain what is meant by SAP. ASAP means SAP methodology stands for Accelerated SAP Methodology. It serves a random for SAP consider five passes. So these are all next video. I'll explain completely what is the SAP methodology. So SAP methodology stands for accelerated SAP methodology. It serves for a random roadmap. Random roadmap is a predefined SAP terminologies. So this is the almost consider five steps. So how many types of SAP methodology passes means? SAP methodology consists five passes. Those are project preparation and blueprints and realization and final preparation and go live. So regarding this SAP methodology, I'll explain complete information next video. Here I'll explain basic information regarding this one. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.